As our grand finale, we're going all out with a roasted leg of lamb with a barbecue twist. Like the rice for the shashlik, the lamb is prepared well in advance during the daytime. Mr. Wasti gives us a run-through of the process.
मसाला लगा के देग में नीचे जाली होती है, पानी होता है नीचे, तो माल रख के बीच में इसके ऊपर कपड़ा डालेंगे, देग के ऊपर कपड़ा डालेंगे, कपड़े के ऊपर एक ढक्कन होगा, ढक्कन डाल के ऊपर बंद करके उसके ऊपर वजन रखेंगे, तो फिर आग दे देंगे, तो कम से कम 1 घंटा 50 मिनट तक ये आग में रहेगा, और उसके बाद हम आग बंद कर देंगे, गैस बंद कर देंगे, और वो जो भाप होगा बीच में एक या 1.5 घंटे तक वो भाप में रहेगा, भाप के देने के बाद ये बिल्कुल नरम हो जाएगा। उसके बाद इसमें जो हम निकालते हैं बाहर,
अभी मजीद इसको आप रोस्ट करेंगे,
जी जी, है ना?
तो इससे पहले ये जो मसाला अभी लगा हुआ है,
हाँ, ये अब दूर नहीं होगा, बिल्कुल जाएगा नहीं मसाला,
मगर ये अच्छी खासी गली हुई है।
हाँ बिल्कुल, ये अब बारबेक्यू कर रही है,
अब इसको बारबेक्यू। The experience has clearly been a traumatic one for this lamb leg, whose only recognizable feature is a bone reassuringly sticking out one end. It's all ready to go on top of this interesting instrument. ये क्या है बात सब?
ये जाली है, इसके बारबेक्यू करते हैं, मटन लेग, मटन लेग्स।
अच्छा ठीक है, तो अब इसको उठा के बस इस तरह
रखेंगे, रखने से तो उठा
Can't be that heavy.
ऐसे पकड़ेंगे,
और नहीं टूट जाएगी। And here it goes. Oh, isn't that a satisfying sizzle? One thing I've learned today, when it comes to barbecue, exposure is everything. When they steam the leg, it gets a little bit done, a little bit tender, enough for him to sort of pry it open so maximum amount can land on this interesting fry pan of sorts and gets cooked. ठीक रहता है इसको 3 से 4 मिनट में हो जाता है अच्छी तरह तैयार।
बस गरम बारबेक्यू खाली करना होता है।
क्या करना होता है?
बारबेक्यू करना होता है
बस इतना सा रह गया होता है। अच्छा,
ज़्यादा लगे 5 मिनट में तैयार है। ये अब तैयार है,
बिल्कुल तैयार है। मैं प्लेट ले आऊँ इसके लिए?
तैयार है।
I'll just get a plate for this. In fact, somebody has been kind enough to garnish this with onions and tomatoes and some salad. All right, there it goes. One bit always sticks out. Can't get a plate bigger than this. Here we have it, the last dish on the menu. Let's get down to the most important part for today, and that is eating. Finally, the moment that I've been waiting for, the moment for which I have voluntarily baked my face off. But tell you what, the setting could not be more perfect, and the night is absolutely beautiful, and the aroma that is coming from these incredible 3 dishes is so overwhelming that I am going to start eating now. Let's start off with chicken shashlik, which Mr. Wasti and myself have prepared. The first thing that we prepared, so a little rice and some chicken tikka, and of course the vegetables. I'd give it a 7 out of 10. The reason being, it's well done. The chicken is really tender and all, but there's a little bit, a little too much of tomato ketchup that I can taste from this tikka boti. Otherwise, I think the spices are fine, but tomato ketchup is sort of overwhelming, just a tad bit. So here, of course, is what I've been waiting for the most: fish tikka. Somehow it looks a lot like cheese. I don't know why, but perfect. This is incredible. It's nice and chewy. It's not exactly melting in my mouth, but I can distinctly taste vinegar and lemon juice. That's what makes it really sort of tangy and bitter, yet at the same time it goes well with the spices. And there's quite a bit of black pepper in here. But now that this is done, this I would rate about 9 out of 10. I don't really see what the problem with this can be with anybody. I think it's very good. And here, of course, is the lamb leg. I love the crispiness. I mean, you can see it right here that it's sort of hard from the top, and that's where all the flavors are. Not very strong, quite subtle. Texture is great. It's just perfectly done. If it were any more tender, I think it would lose the entire flavor. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. 10 out of 10. So this is it. This is the barbecue tonight buffet that I've had and prepared with you as you watched, hopefully drooling as you stared at your TV screens. But I'll call it a night now. You, however, do write in with your comments and suggestions, ideas as to what dish to try next time round on our email address, which is flf@dawnnews.tv. I'll be seeing you next week. Till then, bye-bye.